Learn how to cook a bone-in turkey breast step by step without brine in this easy roasted turkey breast recipe from sipbitego. So the first thing you do is you preheat the oven to 350 degrees and you grease a roasting pan or the bottom of a large cast iron skillet with a tablespoon of butter. And then to the skillet, you're going to want to add some chopped up onions, celeries, carrots, and garlic. And that all is going to go in the pan, and you're going to drizzle it with olive oil and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. And then you want to toss all the ingredients to coat them with the seasonings and add some lemon wedges on top. Then you just set that pan aside while you pat the turkey breast dry with a paper towel and season it all over with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning blend. You can get all of these little details at sipbitego.com. Then you add in cubes of butter on top of the vegetables around the turkey, which is going to help it all get so juicy and flavorful. And then you top the turkey and the vegetables with fresh rosemary. And sometimes I like to meal prep this, so I just want to share with you that this is the point where you would set the turkey in the refrigerator if you're making it ahead of time, and then you just want to take it out 20 minutes before it's time to roast. But you don't have to actually put it in the fridge at all to go on to the roasting turkey breast step. So the turkey breast roasts in the oven for 350 degrees for about 20 minutes a pound. This one was about an hour and 15 minutes until it hit the internal temperature measured with a meat thermometer of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. And I put some foil on top, and this one rested for 45 minutes before the foil was taken off and it was carved and ready to serve. So it looks so beautiful. You could add any sort of gravy, but don't feel limited to that. I also have a delicious jalapeno ranch dressing that goes really good on turkey. That would be really good on this. So this is a really simple roasted bone-in turkey breast recipe, and I hope that it gives you all of the kitchen confidence you need to make it for a special meal. This would be great for like 3 or 4 people for Thanksgiving, Christmas, Easter, any holiday, but it's so simple. You could also just make it for like a Sunday night dinner or any special meal for guests or your family. And one of the perks of this recipe is that you get the side dish of the roasted vegetables that cook underneath the bone-in turkey breast. So they're really flavorful and they are really delicious. I love eating those carrots and even celery. It's so weird to eat warm celery, but the celery and squeeze some of that lemon over the turkey. It's so good. Well, I hope this makes all your turkey breast dreams come true. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!